Hello, friends. We are starting our organized self employment ministry making process. Concept wise, I have made organized self employment ministry which will give fiscal credit salary per month if it will get validity from the Parliament and Vidhan Sabha of India. It is made by me, Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 639736017. I want to say you that for organized self-employment ministry and budget, some organized principles are required to be written in our mind. First is right of pension, fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Direct link to ministry and budget. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should have three budget system: annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organized self-employment ministry. And we should be linked by document signature to the organized self-employment ministry. For this, I am generating trust, faith, and democratic vote so that you can faith on my lecture, on my book Truth Only Trumps. You can purchase this book from me through this mobile number, and you can also guide yourself by listening the various lectures which I am giving for the organized self-employment ministry. Let me be very frank that today everyone wants to earn. A politician is earning, a businessman is earning, a teacher is earning. We all earn. But we can organize also by organized self-employment ministry and budget so that we can have regular income and self-employment government job, because self-employment government job is the process of today. Because as you know, there is fear of unemployment and there is fear of job in the private sector. In these circumstances, I have written this book in 2001. From then onwards, from 31st August 2001 onwards, I have been trying it. In family way, I came to write Truth Only Trumps in on 16th February 2002, and it came in 6 form. And I have been trying to develop it in the various form so that you all can also be the part of Amit Kumar Jha and can work with us. It is unique thing because we can work by trust and faith, because the document is linked with the mandir concept. We have 6 mandir unborn: Shiv Shakti Mandir of Shiv Parvati, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha Mandir. We have Brahma Saraswati Mandir in the different form of ISBN written by our ancestor like Rabindranath Tagore's, Bankim Chatterjee, Subhash Chandra Bose, many types of literate people who has written book that ISBN Mandir. Then Adi Shakti Jagadamba Mandir, Durga Mandir, Durga Sapsati. Then Varshkrit Mandir, the different type of ISBN Varshkrit written in the applause of the Hindu United Varshkrit God and Goddess. And the sixth one, the Bhimrao Ambedkar Constitution, which is done by our stalwart freedom fighter who up till 31st August 1946 did not took any money from the government. By self effort tried to sketch the national movement and tried to write the constitution which is growing us day and night. All these six are coming in my concept of Amiteshwarism, Amit Kumar Jhaism, Truth Only Trumpism, Organized Self-Employment Ministryism in the form of 16.66 into 6 power is equal to 100% into 1, and by making in the form of this 6 in the Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, like Shiv Puran thinking as Rashtrapati Bhavan, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita as a Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, then Brahma Saraswati Purana as a Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, then Durga Saptati Adi Shakti Jagadamba Devi Bhagavad Purana as Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, then the Varshrit God and Goddess as a Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, and then the Indian Constitution Organized Self-Employment concept as a Rashtrapati Bhavan concept we are making into 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100% by Amit Kumar Jha concept lecture for making and generating organized self-employment ministry and budget, because regular income is required for everyone. 70 to 80 years, even 90 years we live on this earth. Those who are having organized income and property, for them it is not there. They can be part of it because in national movement everyone was part. So it is organized self-employment concept development. So they are also part of us, even they are also supporting us. But we have to understand, those who want self-employment government job, we have to document ourselves. We have to understand the contribution of our brothers and sisters who are working in parliament, that we should develop a organized concept of democracy, that we have 6 unborn father and mother, and in writing we should give to the parliamentarian that our daily requirement is this, and I have made fiscal credit table. We can document by signing in that the fiscal credit table, that the validity of our qualification is at the 8th pass level is this, illiterate level is this, 10th standard level is this, then 12th standard level is this, graduation level is this, post graduation level is this. And after that, if the parliament will support us and validate it, our income work educational certificate will get validity, and by that what will come? Self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, certain fiscal credit per month source finance commission of India. And by this finance commission of India, we can easily, by regularly being direct ministry connected, can organize our income, and when our income will be organized, automatically we will be able to get a constitutional status. We can do optional work in that, because optional work are also in organized self-employment ministry, because we are now working in industrial factories as different types of workers and in different types of organization as the regular income. But by this organized self-employment ministry, 100% Aadhaar card entry can be done, and by fiscal credit table we can give the fiscal credit working to the each person, fiscal credit working to each person by their self profession, that this much per month is your fiscal credit, and on that basis you can easily have the self employment government job, and this is your fiscal credit. Organize self-employment ministry budget. Senior members who are working with us will guide each and every organized self-employment ministry worker between 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years and after retirement also, and there can be friendly talk and all things can be in constitutional life. And these documents of six family which we will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I will be made in six unborn house, will be connected to the Central Administration Committee of Parliament, which is headed by Prime Minister and Opposition Leader, and in Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad as Chief Minister and Opposition Leader. Automatically this vote bank system will make the effective parliamentary workers, because on that fiscal credit measurement we can easily work in the parliament also, that whether the work is done or not, because this is organized work system of the parliament. Why? Because we are self-employed government servant by Amit Kumar Jha concept. Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407. Mobile number 6397360717. We have to purchase this truth only terms, and automatically we have to listen organized self-employment ministry budget lecture. What will happen? We will be able to document ourselves in the organized self-employment documentation administrative system, and fiscal credit will be generated, and parliament and Vidhan Sabha will get organized voter from 130 crore Aadhaar card in the 6 form, 16.66 into 6, and 6 houses. The central head, that is President and Prime Minister and Chief Minister and Governor, can easily transfer our houses from one house to other, and 30,000 above and 30,000 below procedure will be there, that will be seen under the supervision of Chief Income Tax Commissioner, that who is earning 30,000 above per month or not, because on that basis 70% and 30% population is linked in the self-employment government job. In the private sector, double work can be easily done, means that optional work will be in organized self-employment ministry, because in organized self-employment ministry children, women and most of the illiterate and literate all are involved in that, because 100% Aadhaar card system is in this vote bank system, because vote bank is divided into 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%, and by Aadhaar card if we are linking by the Amit Kumar Jha concept, everyone is getting self-employment government job. Now one thing will be clear, those who are organized worker, they have understood by the organized self-employment ministry that right of educational certificate is capital value now. So means every certificate which we are learning, for that we are getting capital value. Why capital value is getting? We are getting capital value for the self-employment job. And in the meanwhile, organized employed workers can also give the advertisement for any person is requiring vacancies, like in organized sector someone wants that this vacancy is there, because here the salary is fixed, it will not go above 30,000. The value of the degree will definitely increase, but it will not go, because the equilibrium point of employment is 30,000 in this, because the population is over and we are accommodating self-employed, organized self, not the higher class above 30,000, because the thinking of above 30,000 per month earner and the below 30,000 per earner is different, because what is there here, people knows that I cannot earn above 30,000, because he is knowing that if I will try to make the dream high, what will happen? The self-employment government job will not come, and the government will also not feel pressure, because what is there, the inflation pressure is always there on the head of the government, because every time government start spending, because government wants to instigate the self-employed person to come up for the employment. Here in the organized self-employment ministry budget system, we are having organized setup of documents. One organized setup we already have, what Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Krishna Advani and all the prime ministers of India has made, that is Aadhaar card system. We are organized, our Aadhaar card and our vote bank is there, but it is not based on the fiscal credit self. That is why we are not getting self, because we have not signed the documents of the Ministry of Organized Self-Employment Ministry, because by this we will be bound to do certain optional work, because when the government, democratic government, in the sixth form, the six documents which we are getting from Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and Vishnu Puran from the Vishnu Lakshmi side, Brahma Saraswati Puran from the ISBN side, various types of the authors, Hindu authors who have written book, and from the Durga Saptati from the women's side, and the Varshkit, each united god and goddess side, and the Constitution of India, Organized Self-Employment Ministry, annual budget and railway budget side. All these 16.66 into 6 into 100 part, we are making organized self-employment, and we are documenting it. On that documenting, 12 toppers we are taking from each side, 6 into 2, 12 into 6 is equal to 72 toppers we are taking into documents form, and we are seeing in the live form, and on that basis we are documenting it in the Rashtrapati Bhavan form and Governor House form in the state, and on that basis what we are doing, organized self-employment ministry fiscal credit cell, and fiscal credit gallery is giving to preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, all Aadhaar card holder, all the political party members who are working in the political field, they are getting the vote bank. Which vote bank we are getting? Shiv Shakti vote bank, Vishnu Lakshmi vote bank, Brahma Saraswati vote bank, Adi Shakti Jagadamba vote bank, each united god and goddess vote bank, and the government. Since Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Launa Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. I am giving this concept, so I am trying to explain that this will generating a concept of vote bank system in a seen manner, where we are seeing that the Aadhaar card is put in front of Shiv Puran. That means that if we are taking the 100 if we are taking the 120 crore population of Hindus, that means 20 crore is coming from Shiv Puran Aadhaar card, 20 crore is coming from Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and Vishnu Puran, 20 crore Aadhaar card, Brahma Puran, that is ISBN, like the Vinoda Bhave book, Vivekananda book and Rabindranath Tagore book, Bankim Chandra Premchand books, these types of ISBN Hindus who have written so many books, Damdhari Singh Dinkar, and so many Hindus who have written the ISBN, which has generated a feeling of nationalism. So 20 crore Aadhaar card is coming from that, and then the Durga Saptati, all the women, Hindu women like Sarojini Naidu, Pratibha Patil, Sushma Swaraj, these types of women who has worked hard in the field of democracy, and they have shown the world that Indian Hindu women has worked in the constitutional life. So 20 crore Aadhaar card is coming from that side, and then the Varshkrit, Surya Chandrama Navagrah Dhanvantri Kuber, these different types of Varshkrit god which we call in the Yagyas of Hindus, and the different types of Varshkrit Puja which we are doing, Satnarayan Puja, Rudra Yagya, Maharudra Yagya, all types of this. So these types of god and goddess, Hindu god and goddess, 20 crore Aadhaar card, and then the Indian Constitution and organized self-employment which has come from 20 into 5, 100%, and from there it has been taken by Amit Kumar Jha, 16.66 into 6%, and 20 crore Aadhaar card is put there. So 120 crore Hindu Aadhaar card. So the vote bank is clearly seen. We have to understand this vote bank, because on this documents we are going to work. Because we have cut our dream, 30,000 above, 30,000 below. Now these 30,000 below workers, some optional duty will, because they are working in different private sector, okay, because here the salary will be given on the regular basis and per month basis, because vote bank linking is there. The political party is also the administration, like any political party is in power, or any of the ruling party is working. They can see the documents, and on that basis they can see the work performance, because all political party has to keep the vote bank, because it is the general principle that if ruling party will not keep the vote bank, it will not come in power. And this is life, because we have to keep ourselves safe, then only we can give other also preference. So this is the common thing. So we have to understand this vote bank system, because this is learned vote bank system, new system by which we are respecting each other, and now we are mixing it. 20 20 20 20 means 6 20s are mixed, that is 120 crore. All 120 crore Hindu votes are mixed, and it is put in the hand of prime minister and opposition leader. Similarly, in a state, chief minister and opposition leader. What will happen? Our self-employment government is safe. Now for whole life we are safe. What we have to do? We have to sign a agreement of oath from the Constitution of India that we will abide by the rules. In the lieu of that, what the government is going to do? Government is giving us the facility of the organized son of ministry. Annual budget, one item, railway budget, one ministry, and organized self-employed ministry, which is linked with the President of India, that is President House, Reshana Hill in New Delhi, and the Governor House of different states, and all the MPs and MLAs which are in the representatives of the constitution. They will become our brothers and sisters by the constitutional life which we will start, and they will have the duty to see the documents that all the Aadhaar card people are standing on this. Means 20 crore Shiv Puran voters are standing here, 20 crore Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita are. Amit Kumar Jha is telling that, means I am telling that the Shiv Puran voters and the Vishnu Puran problem is that mother is involved. Vishnu wife is Lakshmi and Shiv wife is means Parvati. So the problem is also there. So we have to respect this. We have to respect the constitutional validity and the court martial bench, so that we can move in the life, because we are giving government means self-employment government job to all. So we have to understand what is our constitutional duty. We have to understand that our duty is also towards the Shiv Puran, that is Shiv Bhakta, and our duty is also towards the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, because the validity, Rashtrapati Bhavan validity is being given from that eyes, and on that basis Aadhaar card is kept. I am trying to explain you that by self-employment government job system, what will happen? We will be able to get fiscal credit salary, and half of the fiscal credit salary is coming in the pension. That will be pension. Means suppose 8,000 is the fiscal credit salary, it will 4,000 pension will become, and in lieu of that, optional and regular work will be generated. One, by the senior members of organized self-employment ministry which are linked with me, that this work is there, and link will be made by organized self-employment ministry, so that because organized self-employment ministry annual budget and railway budget with the industrial people will try to work, because document will be prepared. You can see the industrial people are also sitting in that, and the politicians are also, because one side is politician sitting who is working with his vote, and one side is industrial workers sitting, and one side is educational workers are sitting who is trying to propagate the educational concept, and one side the family members are sitting who is working in the families in different home, and one side is truth and sant, all are sitting who is propagating the various types of all Aadhaar cards are seen, and one side is the government workers are there who is wearing the various constitutional dress and working in the different thanas and different administrative services. When we will understand this, we are also doing constitutional work, and we are also free. Industrial worker and the industrial owner will also understand that 30,000 above and 30,000 below administrative system is there. The person who is trustworthy, he will keep 30,000 in his clothes, and the other 30,000 he will not keep in the clothes. He is knowing that this, the ministry will give the authority letter that this much definitely he will provide labor. If any person will try to misbehave, that I will not do industrial work, because work is less and work is more also, because for people who want to work, work is enough, and the people who is lazy, for him work is not there, because he is lazy person, he will sleep. If you will give him work, he will sleep. So there is understanding problem. One who is very expert, he can manage anywhere. because a student who want to study, he will wake 3 o'clock in the morning and he will study up till the 6 and 5, he will study whole book. And the one who is just time passing, he will wake up at 9 and then he will try to decide what he will study. So approach is different. So we have to understand that we are dealing all types of people in the organized self-employment and giving self-employment government job to all. So we have to handle this. So the industrial worker will also get, and everyone is getting fiscal credit salary, because like minimum like 3,000, 4,000, or according to inflation deflation, prime minister has the documentation, and documentation is controlled under the wave of the democratic documents, because now we are living organized. This is the age of Google, this is the age of Aadhaar card. Every Aadhaar card of 130 crore is controlled, and every Google is controlling the full address of any person, where from he is speaking. This we have to understand. So by this document system, in 6 unborn family like Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and the ISBN Puran, the Rabindranath Tagore and other types of books we will put in the ISBN letters, and Brahma Puran, and the Durga Saptati, the woman world, and the Varshkrit, each united Hindu god and goddess, and the Constitution of India, and the Amit Kumar Jha organized self-employment ministry. 6 family, unborn family is coming, which is united into one. And from 31st August 1946, if he is handing over in the flashback to the Prime Minister, automatically Chief Minister in the document form, and it is accepted by your trust and faith, you can easily be able to get me also self-employed government and you also self-employed. What will happen? We will all get self-employment government job, and we will all retire at 18, 32, 46, 58 years, because 4-time retirement system is that. Because some eventuality will come between 0 to 18 years. Any senior members can put that child in the organized self-employment ministry. Eventualities are so many of types, like earthquake or any types of death or any types of eventuality. Immediately the person will take that person to organized self-employment ministry and make him entry, because it is child organized self-employment ministry. Then after 18 to 15 years, any person who is thinking that he want to work, immediately at 18 years he can join in organized self-employment ministry and budget. What will happen? The 6 documents from whom? Amit Kumar Jha, Shardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. Concept from 31st August 2001, then flashback 31st August 1946, and then in current date we can make these documents of organized self-employment ministry by self-employment government job in our work to one and all in constitutional. And at that time 18 years we can easily join, because at 18 years our honored Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi had given that Aadhaar means the voting rights at 18 years. So 18 years means mature person. If he want to work as self-employed at 18 years, he can immediately join in the ministry. By studying in the universities, he can be the worker of organized self-employment, and he will start his work. Now 6 types of work are seen in the organized self-employment ministry. One is the political work, which is handled by the opposition leader and the ruling parties of the parliament as well as Vidhan Sabha. One work. Second, industrial work. One, our multinational corporation brothers who are working in the various economical sectors and generating various types of concepts in the world arena and on the Indian arena, on the Indian Hindu level. Third is the educational level, the various types of teachers and professors who are teaching in the various universities and schools and colleges day and night. These third. Fourth is the family members, the mothers who is teaching their child and their sons and daughters who are qualifying IS, second lieutenant, IITs and different types of services. They are these mothers. Then fifth, the each united god and goddess, the truth, non-violence, the various types of truthful mouth which is explaining in this world. In the Hindus, Varshkrit, god and goddess. And fifth, the organized self-employment, which is giving you this path of self-employment joining at 18 years. And 32 years, in that we can retire, because between 18 to 32 are full of energy we have lot of energy and we are doing lot. But by the time we reach to 32, we are able to understand that on what level we are, because we are fermenting our ideas and what is coming up in our hand we are making to understand. So 32 first retirement time, then 32 to 46. Now the second phase of maturity is there, because by the time 32 we are able to understand that what we have to do. So 32 to 46 is the second working style in the organized self-employment. Then 46, then after that 46 to 58 years, and then retirements, and 58 years we can do our different types of work. In the meanwhile we can work in the private sector, because this is organized self-employment ministry. Here small works will be provided, like this work is there, for you can take out time from that. Since the private sector will also cooperate, because the labor both are getting from this organized self-employment ministry is also giving labor, and the industrial worker is also getting labor, because industry also have, some industries are very successful because they want 100% labor, but then industry also have to see the capitalist, from the capitalist eye, because one individual is the responsible, because in capitalism what is there, one individual person is responsible. If he has the personal capacity, yes, he is of course putting in the trust, but trust is also looking the same verdict, that whether the profit unit is coming or not. So that is there here, and labor which is being transferred, because organized self-employment ministry is made by both industrial people also and the politician also, because the organized documents, 6 documents which we are seeing in the organized self-employment ministry, and in your home also, if you will put Shiv Puran and Shiv Mandir documents in A4 size, then Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, that Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, Ram Sita and Krishna, then Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN, Vivekananda and other stalwarts, Hindu stalwarts book. ISBN you write, the paper you write down, it is Brahma Saraswati Mandir, and Adi Shakti Jagadamba, Durga Shakti you write down, and the Durga Mandir documents you write down, and then the Varshkrit, each United God, their ISBN paper you write down, that is Mandir, and the Constitution of India you write down, the Constitution, Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, Bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, persons, the service paper you write down, all 6 are Mandir. And then you see that 6, look in the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye, from the Rashtrapati Bhavan's eye, and then from the organized self-employment ministry eye, that we are organized self-employed, and this is the vote system of 120 crore Hindus, and on that basis we are 6 Hindu unborn families, and we have to understand, and democratically we have to accept that we can become self-employed on the central level and state level, if we are able to support each other and generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973-60717. Automatically, by the trust, we can confirm to the political party that we want organized self-employment ministry. We can work on the optional level with working in the private sector, and we can manage double salary, one which is given by the organized self-employment ministry, validated by the parliament, if parliament will support us. Concept wise, I have totally developed this concept from 2001. I am working in this sector from 2001 till 2021 today, and I am trying to explain that we have to work together, and we have to find out the way where the regular work can done, and if regular income will come, and if we will try to sketch the boundary of earning 30,000 above and 30,000 below, automatically administration will also be under the control in democracy, and the political parties will also run on the vote bank, and we will also enjoy, because if we have 10,000 perfect earning, 36,000 perfect earning from the organized self-employment ministry, we will plan our life, because in the private sector we are always pressurized. It is not there. We also enjoy. I am not telling we can work both, because it is a visual concept. From the third chayat it is coming. Village we have panchayat. Why it is panchayat? Because one family is of Shiv Puran, second is of Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, third is of Brahma Puran, Brahma Saraswati, fourth is of Adi Shakti Jagadamba, and fifth is of the Varshkrit God and God. So panchayat it is. Now I am trying to explain the Sadchayat, because one government family. Why? Because Amit Kumar Jha is trying to put self-employment government job by your validity, by your trust and faith, and when you will accept this, automatically parliament will also accept. and both we will all make organized self-employment ministry, and we will have self-employment government job. Automatically politician work will also be rewarded, because where politician has to work, these 6 document people, all the 6 Aadhaar card, unborn Aadhaar card, the 20 crore Aadhaar card of Shiv Puran, 20 crore Aadhaar card of Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad, because Amit Kumar Jha is telling that we want organized money. Organized money can come from the constitution, because when the constitution will give us validity, then only it can come. How it will come? And for this, automatically we can adjust this, and the regular income will adjust our life, because if we have money, then we can decide which sector, what more thing we can do. Automatically we can go to our organized self-employment ministry office, we can talk to our colleagues, because automatically those who will join, like in any area, the one person who is organized self-employment ministry worker, he will go to his area, and automatically when he will go to that area, that members, he is working with him 365 days, even whole life, automatically they become friends. How we are becoming friends in school and colleges? Because the schools and colleges giving us provision, we are talking with each other. Here also 12 toppers of Mandir documents is trying to explain this in organized self-employment ministry, that by this way we are able to form a organized self-employment sector, and private sector will also enjoy working like the organized self-employment ministry with it, and the people will also enjoy, because a covering, and the politician will also get the vote, because the vote is now organized. Vote is now organized because 6 unborn families are there, and subdivision is there, but we are taking on the national level, on the parliament level, and on the state level, that is on the Vidhan Sabha level. On that level, who is reaching to the top? How a person is having money, he can reach to America also. A person has less money, he will reach to Bombay only. A person has little less money, he will live in his own state only. So there is difference between the capital of different person. The capability of different stature is different. How we are reaching to that position, it is the capacity of a person, it is the outlook of that person. We have to understand truth only terms. We have to purchase organized self-employment ministry trust by our self mind, and we have to purchase truth only terms book of Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. And we have to accept that we can make organized self-employment ministry by united effort. One by one we will try to support, it will become organized self-employment ministry budget life, and we will all have fiscal credit salary. When the equality, liberty, fraternity came in the different books, we were not able to understand. Conservative, liberals, radicals, all were trying to mind up, but gradually people accepted this, and what happened? Today we have parliament, legislature, RBI, Supreme Court, different types of organized setup. Similarly, organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. Employment require organized setup, because we have to generate earning from the documents, and the politician also has to understand the organized democratic vote system, which is coming from the Hinduism. That is only secularism, because I have tried to put the Shiv Shakti into welfare form, Vishnu Lakshmi into live money form, Brahma Saraswati into law education form, Adi Shakti Jagdamba family into the family and the welfare form, and each united god and goddess, yani ki Varshad god and goddess into the truth savior and truth saviors, and the 20 into 5, these all documented son and family into the time husband and time wife. So 6 family, 20 Aadhaar card means 120, and on that basis vote bank can be understood in the political laboratory of organized self-employment ministry. You can also experiment. Automatically you will understand. And this melodrama has been written by me in 6 family form. all the topper mandirs so that we can assimilate into our body and we can live a organized self-employment life generated by Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017, and we should purchase Truth on Literums book, and then automatically we will try to generate the trust and faith, and automatically we have to understand that we can do it. Thank you.